All right, so I just want to check out this Weather Channel graphics because, in case you think they cannot fake weather events, this is basically proof that they can provide any kind of visual effect that is convincing enough to the human mind to appear real. And just because the graphics aren't quite up to par to maybe trick you into thinking this is real, just know that if they wanted it to look completely real, it would. And that's a way they can mix digital graphics with real images and kind of create a composite. So let's just get into this video and see the kind of graphics and effects they can use to trick you.
Check out this blizzard. I am up in the clouds, way up as a matter of fact, about 6,500 feet. It's a long way down there. Snow's flying all over the place, and oh, wait for it. Yes, thunder snow, baby. How do I always get myself in these situations?
So not only is it graphics, but also sound, of course. You can see what it looks like. He's standing on some sort of basically a circle, and then the graphics are being displayed around him. So let's continue.
We'll save that for another segment. All right, listen. This is a monster winter storm, but there's a wrinkle in the forecast. Let's take this down a little closer to the ground. I'll show you what I mean. All right, there is so much warm air feeding into this beast that these falling snowflakes are actually melting. In fact, most of the precipitation around me is rain, which is not good because down near the ground and on the ground, we've got temperatures.
So now you can see, as I was saying, maybe, the graphics, how convincing the graphics are depends on how convincing they want them to be. Of course, when he was up in the sky, that's fake. But now look when he's on the ground and look how close it looks to being real. And just imagine if this was actually mixed with actual real footage, how real that would actually look. They already do this in movies. So let's continue.
Holding at 29 degrees. Listen, the cold air is so dense, it remains locked in place. The warm air has to go up and over that cold air. And the rain doesn't have time to refreeze into sleet pellets. So now we have to deal with accumulating ice. Just a tenth of an inch makes roads and sidewalks extremely slippery. A quarter of an inch can break branches and cause spotty power outages. And once you're over a half inch, serious problems ensue. Ice storms can cause billions of dollars in damage. They can hit ground transportation, aviation, and power sectors really hard. I mean, just look at these power lines. All right, those icicles must be... Oh, gee! You gotta be kidding me. Where did that come from?
I mean, look at the level of these effects that they can use to basically push their weather propaganda. It's pretty convincing. And like I said, this is only the beginning. This is only the bare minimum of what they're actually capable of.
That giant icicle just fell from his cell tower. These ice missiles
it looks
reach
almost
speeds
real.
of 90 miles an hour and land with 1,000 pounds of force. Just look around. Ice collects on everything. Look at the stress on these power lines. Hundreds of pounds of excess weight, causing them to sag and sometimes even snap the poles that they're attached to. And you know what? The same goes for the trees. Ice can increase the weight of the branches by 30 times. You hear that? Oh, I think this thing's coming down. Here it comes. Oh! Holy smoke! Whoa, and up! There goes the power. Power's out.
It's a bunch of fakery.
Thank goodness nobody was sitting in that bench.
Why would you need to fake this?
There's nobody out here. Nobody on the roads. Businesses are shut down. Schools closed. That's exactly the way.
And you can see how he's been over the top right now. But just imagine if he was in the real mode of being a reporter, how easy this would be to just completely fake someone out.
It should be when you have an ice storm of this magnitude. What the heck is that? Do you... You gotta be kidding me. A bus? I obviously spoke too soon. This is not gonna end well. Look, the bus is already starting to slide. Look at that. 150,000 plus accidents per year. It doesn't matter if you're in a heavy bus or a four-wheel drive. You're gonna slide on the ice. 40,000 people get injured on average. You know what? I hope this bus stops. 500 people lose their lives. That's 500 too many. You know what? It's a good thing that there are no passengers on this bus. You don't ever want to be on the road in these conditions. You're putting yourself and others at risk. Stay at home and be ready to deal with an extended time without power because the crews are not going to be able to get to you until the ice storm is stopped. I've had enough of this. Stay safe. I'm out of here.
So basically, what this comes down to is your so-called reporters are actors, and these people are creating movies, and they're feeding you propaganda about the weather. So I'm not telling you what to believe, but do your own research when it comes to weather, and don't believe all the reports that you see. I'll catch y'all next time.